Guys, happy Tuesday. Bitcoin is still dropping. How low will it go? I'm also going to show you where my trade is at this moment. We are up over $150,000. I'm going to show you that trade. I'm also going to show you where I put my stops. I won't be showing that stuff all the time, except in the free trading group. It's free for the month of November. Don't forget, join in the Discord link down below. Totally free. Get in there. We're going to be sharing our entries and exits. Now, mind you, it's not going to be a day trading where you're going to get a bunch of exits and entries every 10 minutes. It's not going to be like that. It's going to be actual trades. So anyways, if that sounds good, make sure you join in the Discord link down below. Also, check out the links from our other sponsors below. Let's get into the video. It's going to get interesting. Dow Jones is making a crazy move, possibly. Let's check it out. All right, guys, markets aren't quite open yet. It is 9 o'clock, so a half hour they'll be open, but this video will probably not get out before market opens. But let's take a look at what's going on here. So Dow Jones up or down 300 points, S&P down 79, NASDAQ down 400. Will this continue? Has everything peaked, or is this just a pullback and we're going to see new all-time highs for everything again? Let's talk about it. Let's get into it. First, we're going to take a look at the Dow Jones. Then we're going to take a look at Bitcoin, see what's going on. I'm going to show you where my trades are. We're also going to pick our random comment winner for a free $200 Prime XBT promo code. Make sure you're signed up if you're not already. And I'm going to show you what you got to do in today's video to win tomorrow's $200 Prime XBT giveaway. Let's get into it. So what's the headlines real quick? S&P futures slide 1% on Palantir decline, rising concerns about AI stock valuations. Let's say bubble. Anyways, let's go. Dow Jones, as you guys know, I've been showing this chart forever now. Here we go. Great Depression back here. .com bubble and housing bubble. We are in the everything bubble. Is it over? That's the problem. If we make it up in the monthly and get above this trend line and hold, open and close 1 month above this, we could be seeing as high as 62,000, 63,000 points for the Dow. But as of right now, there's nothing but bearishness. As long as we're below this trend line, we can pull up the MACD. As you can see, I think this is the ending fifth wave diagonal. They usually end bad. Should get us down to the mid-20s if we do continue down from here. If it's harder and faster, we could, still the mid-20s, but it could get a lot worse than that. But anyways, so on the weekly, let's take a look at this. We did make a green dot here, which was right here, right? And we came up. Now looking for a flip back to a red dot. Let me get that out of the way. A flip back to a red dot. We're going to see what happens here. It could get a bigger push up, but if we look at the RSI here, we're showing, you'll see we got a lower high in the RSI, higher high in the price action. That's bearish divergence, right? Showing major bearish divergence there. I would be cautious here. All right, Bitcoin. So on the hourly, this is what we've been watching, right? So right now on the hourly, your resistance line is about 104.2. It's if we get above that, then we may be able to get a nice bounce here. Otherwise, it looks like a continuation down, but we'll check it, take a look at it on the 4 hour, and then again on the daily, kind of the bigger time frame, see what's going on. So as you guys know, we fell out of our RSI rising channel here, came back, tested it, got rejected, and now we're in our continuation down. Now, what we need to watch for here is some divergence, right, on this next low. Will we break this low, or do we stop here and get our bounce right here? It's quite possible. So if you're not in a trade already, I probably would be watching for a possible long, unless we break this low at 103.5, right? If we break that low, chances are we're going much lower. And how low? Well, we talked about it yesterday, depending on where this goes, right? If it goes straight down, it could be 93. The longer it takes, obviously, the lower it goes to get down to this bottom trend line. I suppose we could put a trend line here also. These are just basic trend lines, guys. So This is definitely a possibility here. This is your other target. So this would be, if you are in a short, this would be one of your take profit zones. Why is my, there we go, price label. Somewhere in this, so 99 to 100. Let's make this line a little bit thinner so I can make it a little more accurate. And right here. To here. Gonna be about 99-ish. So 100,000 to 99 for bounce. If we break this low at the 103.5 range, right? So that's what I'm looking for in a 4 hour. Let's take a look at. So this was looking at this as a possible 1, 2, 3, right? If we're getting a 3, we would expect it to go all the way down to around 79 for a wave 3. If this was the top, the ultimate top here. If it's a 1-to-1 extension, we could be seeing about 94 is the 1-to-1 extension. That would be a ABC, and then a continuation up to new all-time highs. So it's something to watch for there. Otherwise, we look at it as a bear flag, and that target being 89. Now, these are a bunch of different ways to view at it. Obviously, guys, it depends on how you're trading, what you're looking at, what you're doing. Again, join the free trading group, join the Discord. There is a trading group within the Discord that you have to join through the Discord. So the Discord link's down below. Get in there. People will help you out. Get into the trading group. All right. So this is another area right here around that 99, which is the 55 EMA, right? We had got our bearish red dot right here. We did get another spike up. Probably took out a lot of longs, and we're still taking them out. So again, guys, be very cautious here. We could also draw a trend line right here across the bottom, right? And if we are gonna get it one more touch, the RSI should be around here. If that breaks, then we're probably confirming a major bear market. And we've been talking about how big that could get, how big that could be if everything bubble pops, right? I know a lot of people think it's a good hedge against the dollar to be in Bitcoin, but I would be very cautious with that. Powers that be are likely not to let the dollar totally die. We may see deflation, which will make Bitcoin go down very fast with everything else, right? So here's another thing, the 0.236 fib lining up with the 55 EMA around 100,000. So it's looking like we may get that test, but remember, we have to break the 103.5. If not, if 103.5 holds, we could be shooting back up here in a pretty big way. So be cautious, be careful. Let's take a look at my trade, and then we'll pick our winner afterwards. So Prime XBT, our trade is up 180,000, 22 Bitcoin short. Right now, I have my stops put in at 109.5 on 2 of these trades right here. Those will be in here. Let me show you right here. So if we get stopped out at 109.5, that will be a 22,089 profit. You can see I can hold 22,000. So if those 2 get stopped out way up here, and I put that there because of the 55 EMA, right? And then this one here at 39,000. So our total will be about a $50,000 profit, even if we get stopped out. But if we continue down, it's going to get much bigger. That's why I put my stops in there. So I'm good with 50,000 profit. I know a lot of people are like, why don't you close now at 182? Because I think we can go a lot lower. And I'm looking to take profit at around $95,000 to $100,000. If that happens, it's going to be over a $250,000 profit. So we'll see what happens there. Let's go ahead and pick our winner. Don't forget, guys, Prime XBT right now is still doing a 30% deposit bonus. So they put in and they match 30% of whatever you deposit if you use my link down below. I think we got another week or 2 of that. So make sure you're going to do it if you're going to do it. Otherwise, if you're a no KYC, things like that, we have a bunch of different sponsors over here. BITUNIX, Prime XBT, Weeks, and Blowfin. BITUNIX, Weeks, and Blowfin, no KYC required. So if you're into that, Links are down below, guys. Check those out. I'll also be making some new tutorials that will go in the trading group. Anyways, as of right now, we're still up about 183,000 here. Let's pick our winner. So before I pick my winner today, in today's video, I can't believe we didn't even get 1,000 views yesterday. YouTube algorithm is sucking. Especially, I mean, we're having receipts with our trades. You guys can really help out by leaving your comments below, which also gets you entered to win tomorrow's $200 free promo code for Prime XBT. But you'll have to be signed up using my link, or that promo code won't work. Also, we need, guys, we got to get at least 1,200 video or views on this video. And how do we make sure we get that? By you smashing those likes, subscribing to the channel, leaving your comments below. I do appreciate it. And let's pick our winner. Remember, no scam comments. They're popping back up again, so we got to watch for that. So Barton Fryer, even my non-crypto friends, see, there it is, grok crap. We're going to pick a different one because there is so many. I thought I deleted them all, but they just keep coming. It's amazing, the scammers that are on YouTube anymore. I should have deleted more. And the thing is, they just keep changing the numbers and stuff on that. Wow. Unreal. And they're the only ones popping up. Here we go. Mr. Yohu. Like, you win. Make sure you get a hold of me. You can comment on this comment, then email me, and we will verify it's you. Get your promo code, and you can start trading with your 200. Thanks, Mr. Yoho. Not sure how to pronounce that. I hope I didn't kill that name, but all right, guys. Have a great day. Make sure you join the free Discord group down below, and I will catch you tomorrow.